All right, for 29.41, we have two wires intersecting the X and Y grid. Two-dimensionally, it'll look something like this. Here it's 2.5 centimeters away from the origin, and here it's negative 2.5. According to the thing, they're going in the same direction. Doesn't matter which direction, because it's the same. Which means here, they're opposing, which means they'll cancel out, which means our 0 point will be somewhere in there. Let's rewrite it. So here's our point, negative 2.5, 2.5. Point somewhere in between. We don't know where. This is I. This is I2. This is a distance R. And we can call this distance 5 minus R. So each one has a field B, and where they cancel out, it'll be B minus B2 equals 0. So we can say B equals B2. B equals mu I over R, and B2 is mu I2 over, wait, no, I forgot the 2 pi's. 2 pi 5 minus R. We set them equal to each other. Equals. And then we can cancel out the mu's and the 2 pi's. So we're left with I over R equals I2 over 5 minus R. I is going to be 4.6 A, and I2 is 2A. So we can write that in. 4.6A, 2A. Now let's do some cross multiplying. So we can rewrite it as, let me get rid of the A. It'll be confusing with that there. 2R equals 4.6, 5 minus R. Multiply that in. 23 minus 4.6 R equals 2R. Add 4.6 R to both sides, and we get 6.6 R equals 23. Divide 6.6, and we're left with R equals 23 over 6.6, 3.5 centimeters. So that's how much R is, but we want to know where that is. So we can just add negative 2.5 plus 3.5, and we get 1 centimeter. I've put this into the computer for part A. Part A, by the way. And it said I got the right answer. For part B, though, it's very similar. They both go into the grid, but they go in opposite direction, which means in the middle, they'll both be pointing up. We know that A is a lot bigger than B, so it would be, the 0 point would be somewhere on the right side, because B wouldn't be able to reach that far over there. So let me write it again. Negative 2.5, 2.5, and then our dot I2. Since it's just like the other one, except different, let me show you how it's different. R is longer, and R2 is now R minus 5 instead of 5 minus R. So I can write this as I over R equals I2 over R minus 5. Put in the numbers, 6.4 over 4.6, my bad, equals 2 over R minus 5. Cross multiply, that'd be 4.6 R minus 23 equals 2R. Subtract 4.6 R both sides, and then that leaves us with 2.6 R. Let me clean it up. 2.6 R equals 23. Divide both sides by 2.6, and we get R equals 8.8 centimeters. Now again, this is for R. This number represents R. We want to find out the actual X value of it, so we'll negative 2.5 plus 8.8. That'll give us 6.3 centimeters. I put this into the computer. It said I was right. Therefore, I did it correctly. This is part B, by the way. Thank you.